connector, and you can see line broken there. That's why brake pad wear sensor light on. Need to remove this screw. Because this one come with the tiny oil coating, and install new disc. Need to apply little bit copper grease each edge. Don't going to apply too much. This is VW Transporter install 2022 van. Basically I'm going to show you how to change front brake disc and pad. Please follow this video until end. You can get full idea how am I going to change front disc and pad. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Jack up the van and let's go to the job. Jacking point underneath here. Need to remove this cover. It's holding 19 mil nut. Right. Now I can remove the wheel. Need to remove this brake pad wear sensor connector. And you can see line broken there. That's why brake pad wear sensor light on, because of this wire broken. Need to press in caliper piston using flat screwdriver like this. You can do it. And after that I need to remove the two nut. It's spinning. Need to hold with the flyer like this. Then after that you can remove it. Then you can remove the all brake pads. Need to remove this screw. Now we need to remove caliper holding bracket. I'm going to remove that two nut. Need to clean this area. After that I'm going to apply little bit copper grease. Clean brake disc with brake cleaner, because this one come with the tiny oil coating, and install new disc. After that we need to clean brake pad running area both side using wire brush and clean it properly. After that make sure this slider pin moving free and easily. My scenario both side working nicely. If you feel if it's stuck, better to remove, clean, apply grease and reinstall. I'm happy with this one. First couple of thread do by hand, then after that if you have a impact gun you can use it. Now I am ready to install new set of pad. Before that, compare with the old one and new one. If it's same design, then you can go ahead. I'm using a Dapetz brand. This one good quality premier parts. We need to install metal clip edge of the brake pads. It's like a retention brake pad holding clips. Need to install each side. Need to apply little bit copper grease each edge. Don't going to apply too much. And install brake pads. Next step, going to reinstall caliper. Next step, I am going to install brake pad wear sensor. It's need to go inner pads and going to connect it to the electric connector. Now need to install the tire, tighten the nut and remove jack. Go inside the van and make sure pump the brake pedal. You can see first time it's going until flow. See, right, pump, pump, pump. Gradually it's come up. Make sure do this step, otherwise you ending insufficient brake. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to do the front disc and pad this van. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. See you with another video.